This video will show on how to make payroll payment for two different payment date. For example, we select two employee name to be paid today, November 23rd. Selected employee is going to be paid today. This is for payment November 23rd, 2024. Here, please select your bank payee. At this pop-out, instead of click on download, you choose click on proceed. Only two employee you select for confirmed payroll will be in the list. Select export to and select pay file, so you got the pay file tax file. Here it's your pay file to upload to bank portal. Then the next group of employee payment on different date. You can either confirmed individual or select confirmed all amounts still pending. Here you select different date of payment. Let's say November 25th is the payment date. This employee is going to be paid on November 25th. Repeat the process for bank text format downloading. Again you select proceed instead of download. Previous two employee confirmatives also included. Next step is select all employee, then you may deselect the two employee from the list. Only three employee will remain as selected. Next select export to. Now it only shows these three. That is steps to make payroll payment for different date of payment.